What a nugget. Nugget, nugget, nugget. Nugget.
You ready to go to talk for
Nugget.
next week in here?
Nugget. Nugget. Hello people, welcome. It is race day. Yeah. Whoa. Drop the goey because I'm trying to vlog and drive. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Anyway, yeah. Race day, goat farm, round 5, WA Gravity Enduro. And then basically just 7 stages of hurt box. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes, and we'll see you all there. Couple of, oh, this bus is gonna cut me off. Yep. Vlogging and driving, man. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for this, but yeah, anyway people, race day. Let's get it. The conditions are gonna be prime. We've had some rain overnight, and she'll be a bit of a mutter right now for all the juniors, but by the time we get on the racetracks, they should be hero dirt spec. As good as the Go Farm will ever get, so looking forward to that, and let's go Enduro! Ooh. Oh. Look who we've stumbled upon.
Morning,
once again, we got to park right next to this man.
Yeah.
Wasn't even planned. Just happens, people.
There's no parking at the Go Farm. Everything's full.
Yeah, we're literally parked basically back out on the highway. Look at me. Feeling mates, race day.
Good. Had me food, went to bed. We on. Ate a lot of food.
That's the key, people. That's the race prep. A lot of people skip the going to bed part.
Yeah. But like this, how you always show up to my house like I couldn't sleep. Too excited. I did that today.
Oh really?
I woke up like 5:30. I was like, no, we're back to bed.
Yeah, I woke up pretty early.
Nuh-uh.
You just get excited to ride, you know? Even more when it's a race. Yeah, anyway, let's get ready, people. Cheers. I'm so abusive to my viewers. Oi, Lockie. Just kidding, people. It's race day, people. You know what that means. This stuff's going to be coming in very handy. Get yourself some. You won't regret it. You will not regret it, people. Quick tub up, bro. Yeah, don't forget to wash your bike before the race, people. Gussie's onto it. Last minute prep.
Last minute prep. Shane's looking a bit rusty, bloke. Gotta get the degrees.
When was the last time you lubed that thing, bro?
Last year. This made it through customs looking like that.
Did it actually? No way. Freaking bike and hillbillies.
Oh hey, what's going on? My wife felt famous, Kaiden, after they stood with Gero Corner with the mums.
Oh, is that your wife?
Sadly, yes. We had to pause it and shit. I'm like, you just a recommended video in our freaking YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, here's Kaiden with Bailey. Let's watch this.
Ham and cheese. I couldn't believe we just started yelling ham and cheese at people.
That's right. Hey, mate. That's our trend starter. That's how it goes viral. Have you been up riding a bit with Bailey?
Yeah, I was, and then I got really sick, so I had to go home for a week.
Hold on. You get on. So good luck today.
You too, man.
Stay out of the mud, eh?
Yeah, it should be good. Oh, I missed the Let's Go Enduro at the race briefing, but onwards and upwards to the first stage, people. We'll see us up there, eh? I got nothing. I got nothing to give. Oh, I can't move. That was so cooked. Gosh. Stage 1 done and dusted. That hurt people. I'm sure you could hear. I don't know. Stay tuned to see what comes next, because I don't know what I'm doing next.
Wait, there was kids on the climb after they saw you.
Yeah.
They're like amateurs, and they say he has no technical skill. All he can do is pedal. And I wanted to say something.
Oh, whoever those kids were.
They didn't know I was there, I don't think, and then I saw them.
Yeah.
And they were a bit freakish.
You can't talk smack about me, people.
Guys, he's the state champion.
Yeah. Straight up. Yeah, boy. That was better. Missed one line. Whew. Right, vlog update. Another stage done and dusted. Self-reflection on that stage was not bad. I rode it pretty well, I thought. I was happy with that. But I missed one line. Towards the bottom here there's a much faster line where it's like maybe a second or two, so not stoked about that, but it's all good. Onwards to the next stage. I'm going the long way around down the Bundy line, but yeah, see he's up there. Yeah, goey angle was roached. I hit it on a tree on the climb.
Oh, nice, cousin. I'll go down.
What's up, cousin?
Wait, watch me. Rail this burn.
We got camera guy. Yeah, rail it, bro.
No, I put on the side of the road. The side of the trail. There's plenty of kangaroos up.
Right. Oh, how's the jumper on the bars? Bro's gonna film me in the rock garden. I freaking hate that rock garden.
Yes. My e-bike's in Germany because I can't get it here at the minute.
What are you ordering?
No, I want one.
What do you want?
The Nikolai Sutton. The MGU. It's got the gearbox in one. Alright, Kaiden.
Have you got some tape on you? No.
Gosh. What a prick of that spot.
I didn't say it. Get the ass down the hill.
Okay. Thank you, Greg. Bye, Greg.
Oh, that's so much time on that straight. I can't carry speed in there. The big long straight with all those jumps in it, I can barely clear the jumps.
Yeah.
I just don't carry speed, and then I have to pedal and barely clear the jumps.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the third stage of the day done. That was stage 2 tipping point. I'm actually unsure if I recorded it. I always do this. Pretty sure I did. And then just turned the GoPro off at the bottom while I was dying and forgot that I turned it off. But yeah, that first rock garden just sucks, and I rode it really badly, but the rest of the track, buttery. Oh, except for the first straight, or no, the long straight with the jumps. I cannot carry speed in there for some reason, people. Oi. Good. That was I'm stoked on that run. Hopefully that was fast, because that felt good. Clean as a whistle until the last corner, because I knew that the finish line was right there, so I didn't brake and almost ran off the track. Yeah boy, that's a sick track. I like that one. Onwards. Got to keep moving. Been a bit slow today. At the top, about to drop into the Legacy, the pro stage from yesterday. Let's not almost die this time. Thank you sir, you too bro. leg's cramping. Ow, 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 ow. No. Felt it going halfway down. Ow. I'm cooked. Ow. Ow, that's bad. Whew. I cramped in my quad, like just above my knee, people. That was really bad. Ow, bro. But 2 to go. Come on, leg, hold him there. All right, whatever. Onwards, people. They don't know me, son. My leg was trying to cramp that whole way down. Oh, that was gnarly, bro. I would like put my leg straight and it would just lock. It would lock straight when I was dropping my heels. That was gnarly. Oh, 1 to go. Let's just get to the bottom. It's gonna hurt. Alrighty, here we go. Yes, and I'm cramped. Don't stop moving. Guys, oh my god. I was cramping the whole entire stage. Grit your teeth, people. I mean, that was beeped. That was beeped up, man. Oh, I need to get to the finish. Bro, I'm cooked.
Done everything you should do.
Finally finished.
Tired, eh?
I cramped for the last 2 stages the whole time, right here.
I got, bro. They gave me sunnies, mate.
Am I even late? I'm not even late.
No, they just opened the hatch.
Oh,
No, you're not late.
bro, I was sending it.
So did these two.
Yeah, thank God for that. Oh man.
Reckon you did good?
Yeah, I think I did well. Bro, I'm so like unhealthy and unfit right now. Smoker, hey?
Smoker?
Oh, bro.
Grab a chip, bro.
I think I need more than smoker right now. Oh.
The last 2 stages are pretty quick.
I thought I was going to be, oh, well, turns out I was. But I was running really late. Oi, there was a kid flying down there on a dirt jumper, like massive airs.
Oh wow.
It was gnarly.
Was he on the GT?
Smoko?
Yeah. Guys, that hurt. That really hurt, guys. Like a lot. He won himself a pair of sunnies, people.
Look at that.
He's matching us.
He's basically sponsored now.
Wait. Oh no, wait.
Can you give it up?
I can see my fist.
Wait, people, this is disgusting. Look at this.
Wait, how's the gel?
I smoked it.
Got heaps of salt on you.
Look at the state of it. Oh, what's that? It's jazz in my pocket. Oh, I still had one left. I should have had that.
Thing going.
Subscribe to Dean the Destroyer, people.
You
still vlog, bro?
I vlog it off. I don't vlog it.
You don't vlog it?
I
I don't know how to. You're the vlog guy. I'm like
I can
The edit guy. Oh, the 60 plus category.
yeah, fine.
That's me next year.
Wait, hold my beer.
I always end up holding your bike, bro.
So that looks like it's winning hearts as well.
Yeah, he's got his puppy up there. That's sick.
Yeah, Matt.
Yeah, mate.
He must have been on a heater, right?
In 6th place to Elijah Hansel. In 5th place, Gus Kime. With Gus.
Gary Diesel.
And in 3rd place for the men for Enduro 19 plus. With a time of 14 minutes and 10 seconds, Cadell Adams.
That's good. I'm sure that
Kaiden Godden, 2nd place. We're about to witness, we're about to see.
In 2nd place with 14 minutes and 7 seconds, Kaiden Godden.
The ginger is on the podium. We have a ginger.
And in 1st place for the men full enduro. For round 5 of the WA Gravity Enduro Series at the Go Farm with a time of 13 minutes and 59 seconds, 8 seconds clear, Wally Kime.
The Garys are handshaking.
And a big round of applause please for our men full enduro.
Who's got the shot?
And that rounds up the presentations for today here for round 5 on those roads. Take care of each other, have fun, and let's go enduro!
Were you on that?
Oh, you've done your podium.
Yeah, you said untipping.
Oh, I just.
I know there are a few people.
Alright, people. WA Gravity Enduro, round 5, I think it was, at the Godden, done and dusted. I was roached, people. I've been having some pretty bad health issues lately, so I probably shouldn't have been riding. Pretty sick. But yeah, we got it done. We were cramping up quite badly towards the end. So ended up in 2nd place, 8 seconds off Rolly, which I'm stoked with that. Rolly did have a crash and a dropping chain, so probably would have smoked us, but he's on it right now, so that's all right. Yeah, thanks for watching the vlog. I'm glad that's done. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video, whatever that holds. We got dirt bike session next weekend in Nannup, so a bit of dirt biking probably. Yeah, thanks for watching, people. Cheers. Surprise, people. Bonus footage. Oh, you thought the vlog was over, didn't you? It's not over yet. Oh, look what we found.
Hello. Welcome to my crib.
Oh, this is his crib.
Yeah.
He's going to vacuum the floor because.
I give permission for this.
Yep.
I sleep with 2 dogs. No.
He sleeps with 2 dogs. That's why his floor's so hairy.
Yeah.
That's all right. But yeah, this is pretty exclusive right here. I don't
Yeah.
we don't usually give people this kind of content.
What can I show them?
I don't know.
I got the double sleeve jersey in the corner there.
Oh yeah, that's custom. Double sleeve, 2 sleeves.
I got number 1 plate up on the wall. I got the leaders jersey right there.
People, that's sick. Oh, the leaders jersey. That's my leaders jersey, by the way, people.
We got a guest here. This is Colby Cheese.
Oh, Colby Factory Racing.
How you going, bro?
No,
Nah, he's all good.
is all good.
Yes.
Got some Pirellis.
Got some Pirellis and some blacked out Pirellis there as well.
Nice.
Yeah, got the Collie River champion up there.
Oh, that's actually, look at the size of this trophy, people. Damn, son. Yeah. That's bonus footage. If you watched all the way to the end.
This is for OnlyFans though, isn't it?
OnlyFans?
This is OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. Yeah, subscribe to my OnlyFans, people. He's back.
Thanks for coming. Good job to Godden this weekend. He absolutely smashed it. He's a bit unwell at the moment, but he's riding well. He just can't pedal.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. All right. Yeah, if you made it all the way to the end and seen this bonus footage, comment nice crib, bro. Cheers, people.